Greetings. Today we're going to go through how to enable Volt Iris for MX Go. We're going to begin by looking at the Iris IDE. Then we'll go through the plugin installer and the wizard that walks you through how to install those plugins. Finally, we will connect to a Volt MX Go Foundry server to enable the Iris Go plugins.
So this is a freshly installed Volt Iris IDE. I would like to make this Go enabled. I can see that it is not because the MX emblem is not yellow. Also, I cannot import Domino applications. So I would like to make this Go enabled. To begin with a fresh installation or a new workspace, you need to go ahead and build a sample project. So I'm going to create a new project of type web app and desktop, and I'll just call this Go Enable. Once I create this project, it can be very simple with only the original form that's populated when the project is created. I will go ahead and build this as a responsive web with a clean preview. And what this will do is pull down the required files, which is a pluginsinfo.json file, which allows for us to update that to make it Go enabled. Once the live preview comes, I will go ahead and close that, and then I will go ahead and I will close Iris. Once Iris is down, I'll go ahead and I will start the plugin installer. This brings up a command prompt window, and I will choose number 4 to install the Volt Go plugins for Volt Iris. I can see this populated with my workspace, so I will choose 1. And it's looking for the installation program directory as well. It's found that. I can go ahead and choose 1. And now the plugins have been installed. So now that that has been completed, I can push enter to exit the wizard. I will again restart Iris. So once Iris restarts, I now have the plugins installed. Now, the Go capabilities will not be visible unless you are actually connected to a Go Foundry server. So as we can see here, by logging back into this and opening back up into the Iris IDE, I still don't have a yellow emblem there, nor do I have the ability to import Domino applications. So I want to ensure that in my preferences, I have set my VoltMX Foundry to be a Go Foundry server, which I do have that. So now I will log into my Go Foundry server. Once I log into my Go Foundry server, I instantly see that this now has a yellow emblem. I can also see that I can now import Domino applications. If I look at settings, I also have Volt Formula populated. This IDE is now VoltMX Go Iris enabled.
So in summary, what we have looked at was VoltMX Iris, and then the VoltMX Go plugin installer. Then we connected to a VoltMX Go Foundry server to enable the plugins. Feel free to scan the QR codes for enablement on how to go through a trial setup, VoltMX Go documentation and installation procedures, as well as other trainings. Thank you.